Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression your home makes, a key element of security, and an opportunity to improve energy efficiency. If you're considering a front door replacement in Bel Air, understanding your options for style, security, and savings can help you make the best decision for your home. Choosing the right style for your home. The style of your front door plays a crucial role in your home's curb appeal. Whether you prefer a classic, modern, or custom design, there are plenty of options to enhance your home's exterior. Popular front door styles. Traditional wood doors. Timeless and elegant, wood doors bring a warm and inviting feel. They can be customized with intricate carvings, glass inserts, and various stains to match your home's aesthetic. Steel doors. Known for their durability and security, steel doors are a great option if safety is a priority. They come in various finishes and can be designed to mimic the appearance of wood. Fiberglass doors. These doors offer a balance between durability, style, and energy efficiency. They resist warping and cracking, making them an excellent long-term investment. Glass panel doors. If you want to let more natural light into your home, glass panel doors or full glass doors are a stylish and modern choice. Frosted or decorative glass options provide privacy while enhancing visual appeal. Custom doors. If you have a specific vision, custom doors allow you to tailor the material, design, and features to fit your unique preferences. Enhancing home security with a new front door. A high-quality front door provides an essential layer of security for your home. Here's how replacing your front door can improve safety. Stronger materials. Modern doors are built with reinforced steel, fiberglass, or solid wood, making them harder to break through. Advanced locking systems. Upgrading to a door with a high-security deadbolt, smart lock, or multi-point locking system adds extra protection. Impact-resistant glass. If your door includes glass panels, opting for tempered or laminated glass helps prevent break-ins. Smart doorbells and cameras. Many homeowners pair their new doors with smart security systems, providing real-time monitoring and alerts. Maximizing energy efficiency and savings. Older doors with poor insulation can lead to significant energy loss, making it harder to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Replacing your front door with an energy-efficient model can help lower your utility bills and improve overall home efficiency. Key energy-saving features. Proper insulation. New doors often include insulated cores, preventing heat loss in the winter and keeping cool air inside during summer. Weather stripping and seals. A tight seal around the doorframe prevents drafts and reduces air leaks. Low-E glass. If your door includes glass elements, choosing a low emissivity, low-E, coating helps block UV rays and minimizes heat transfer. Energy Star certification. Look for doors with the Energy Star label to ensure high efficiency and lower energy costs. Cost considerations and long-term value. Replacing a front door is a smart investment that can yield high returns in both home value and energy savings. The cost of a new front door varies based on materials, customization, and security features, but it's important to weigh the long-term benefits. Increased home value. A stylish, high-quality front door can boost your property's resale value and curb appeal. Lower maintenance costs. Modern doors require less upkeep compared to older, worn-out doors. Energy bill savings. Improved insulation and energy-efficient designs contribute to reduced heating and cooling costs. Enhanced security benefits. Investing in a secure door protects your home and potentially lowers home insurance premiums. Find the perfect front door replacement in Bel Air. When selecting a new front door, it's essential to consider your home's style, security needs, and energy efficiency goals. Professional installation ensures a perfect fit, preventing air leaks and maximizing durability. If you're ready to upgrade your front door in Bel Air, consult a trusted local provider to explore your options. Whether you prioritize aesthetics, security, or savings, a new front door is a worthwhile investment that enhances both comfort and value. Make your home stand out with a stylish and secure entrance today.